In Clemmons, in northern Davidson County, you'll find Arbor Park, a brand new community where comfort, style, and quality of life come together. More light, more movement, and more buyers ready to move in before the school year ends. Here are 5 tips to sell faster and for top dollar. 1. Deep cleaning. Everything should shine from floors to windows. 2. Fix the small stuff. Even minor issues can bring down your home's value. 3. Strategic staging. Less is more when showcasing a home's true potential. 4. Boost your curb appeal. First impressions start outside. 5. Professional photos and videos. 95% of buyers start their search online. And don't forget to price it right from the beginning. The right price brings more views and more offers. This is your moment. If you're going to sell, do it with strategy, do it with vision, and stand out in this busy season. Ready to sell your home with strategy and get top value? Contact us today and take the first step toward your next chapter.